Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with a quick update on Skeem Saam. And sorry for going out on you guys, but I'm slowly going to come back. Now, MDN News reported that Skeem Saam's Meneer Manaka arrested for drunk driving in Johannesburg. Skhumbuzo Mbatha, the South African actor renowned for his portrayal of Meneer Manaka on the popular SABC1 soapie Skeem Saam, was arrested on Saturday, March the 8th, 2025, for driving under the influence of alcohol in Johannesburg. The incident occurred around 8:30 p.m. when officers from the Johannesburg Metropolitan Department JMPD stopped Mbatha at a roadblock between Barry Herzog Avenue and Napi Road, Parktown. Okay, these are too difficult to pronounce, but let's continue. Mbatha, driving a white Nissan Navara, was reportedly exhibiting signs of intoxication with a noticeable smell of alcohol on his breath. A subsequent breathalyzer test revealed that his blood alcohol concentration exceeded the legal limit of 0.51, right? And prompting officers to take a blood sample as part of standard procedure. Following the test, Mbatha was handed over to the South African Police Services, SAPS, at Parktown Police Station, where he was charged with drunk and driving. He spent the night in custody and granted 1,500. Okay, I thought it was 150,000, but 1,500 bail for the following morning, Sunday, March 9, 2025. I didn't know would see it drinking and driving but 1.5. That's why most people are continuing. Babu chupa left, right, and center. About service sale almost 1.5 kipatla. Okay, but let's continue. The actor is expected to appear in court to face the charges. This incident adds to Mbatha's history of legal trouble. In November 2020, he was wrongly arrested after unknowingly transporting a woman who had vandalized her estranged husband's car, an experience he shared on social media at the time. He was wrongly arrested. Same story. But here's the thing, right? Now I think ukuthi uMeneer Manaka is stressed because of how uMeneer Manaka is stressed because of how principal is treating him. Yes, principal is showing him flames. Poor guy has no choice but to be like this. I don't know. Saying, please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.